Hey, fellow hearts! Have you ever heard about the Moses Code? This theory about a tiny comma, or not even that, because actually it is about a missing comma in the Bible. Some people say that there's a phrase in the Bible that should have a comma that would change the whole sense to everything. In Exodus 3:14, God said unto Moses, I am that I am. Which is hilariously disappointing, isn't it? So, someone's talking to you. You suddenly notice, who's talking? Hi, who's talking there? And the answer is, I am that I am. Screw that. Screw that. So, but if there would be a comma, it would change everything. Because maybe God doesn't say, I am that I am. Deal with it. Maybe what he says is, I am that, comma, I am. I am that, comma, I am. I am that. I am. I am the burning bush. I am the burning bush you are facing, dear Moses. I am the air you're breathing in. I am the tree surrounding you. I am everything. What I am is pure being itself. God is like the universal and ongoing frequency, the frequency of frequencies, and you can be part of it too, because God is just about being pure existence, pure being, and you can have that for yourself. So, do you want to feel like a God? Then bear with me. It is the concept to unity and oneness. You can become one with everything surrounding you by tuning into this pure being. So let's try it. So thanks God for the hint, because it gives us a very powerful meditation. And to feel true unity, all you need to do is use this meditation. So here we go. You can do this wherever you are. You can get connected with everything surrounding you by connecting to it through your breath. Get connected with everything your eyes meet by saying, I am that, while you are breathing in. And some nice affirmation to this object or subject while you are breathing out. Like, for instance, I am this glue. I am what holds the world together. I am that brush. I keep my surrounding clean. I am this nail polish. I make things appear beautiful. So, it's nothing that you can do it in your studio, your office, wherever you are at the moment. But of course, it's much nicer when you are connecting yourself to a natural environment. So you could go for a walk, watching a tree, thinking, I am that tree. I am cleaning the air. I am a stone. I am infinity. I am that old lady. I am loving. I am that smile. I am pure pleasure. I am that conversation. I am peaceful and understanding. So try to stay in this mood for at least half an hour and be amazed by what's going to start happening to you when you do it outside, connecting to nature and other people. If you should be looking at someone and this someone should be looking back at you, so you're trying to connect to everybody, don't let that lesson scare you. You can do it. And you'll be amazed by the outcome and the experience. Just stay with your breath. Breathing in is I am that. Breathing out, whatever affirmation you put to that. So stay with your breathing cycle and don't be scared by someone staring back at you. In fact, everything is staring back at you all the time. But you don't need to be strolling around town. You could do it by yourself as well. You could do it at home, which actually gives a nice addition to it, because I bet you don't dare speaking out loud your affirmations while you're doing it outside, would you? I guess you wouldn't sit in a bus somewhere saying, I am the bus driver. I get all of you home safely. Well, first of all, people might think you're crazy, which you shouldn't care about, but anyway, I think you would. But yeah, whatever, if you're doing it at home, you should speak it out loudly. You can take a look outside your window doing this exercise and even pronounce the words out loud, because I am is actually very close to And Om is what you can call the universal code. The sound of Om is what keeps the world go round and round. In the Vedanta, it is said that this universe didn't start with the Big Bang, but rather it's a still ongoing Om that keeps everything in motion. It is the big frequency to this world, to this universe, and connected to pure being itself. Just like the phrase, I am. So this is the sound of this universe. And it is said that if it would stop for just 1 second, everything would vanish instantly. There's no world without Om. No universe without the universal sound of existence, which is pure Om. We talked about that so many times before. Just imagine everything being frequency. That's all you need to know. And Om is the frequency of pure consciousness, of pure being itself. The Gospel of John says, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. That is the concept of unity. The word is Om, or I am. Everything started with God's awareness of His own existence. Her own existence? Their own existence? I don't want to trigger you, so... But right, while we are at it, maybe God itself is a trigger term to you. Totally possible. So, you can hear whatever you like. Whenever I say God, you can hear universe, you can hear electromagnetic energy, you could hear 0 point energy field, consciousness, Christ consciousness, Krishna. Who cares? You can give it whatever name you like. What I am talking about is pure being itself. Don't be triggered by terms like that. I didn't invent a religion, and I'm sorry people put that shit. I did not invent religion, and I'm really sorry that people pulled that over you. So whatever you want to call it, it is a self-referring concept. I am Om, the key to pure consciousness. I am everything. I am you. You are me. I am this bright light that I'm very grateful for, by the way. I am this video, I am awareness, I am this, I am that, I am. That's it. I am. But most of all, now I am very curious about your experiences. So if you give it a try, please tell us in the comments how you felt and what you connected with. Tell us about your experience. Or maybe you found some wonderful affirmations that you want to share with us. Please, people, feel free, go ahead to put every positive affirmation that may ever come to your mind into my comments right now. I really care about intentions, and I do care about loading this planet with positive words. So, what have you tried to connect with? And what was your idea about affirmations to whatever you connected with? Please, let's connect in our meditations and below this video in the comments or on Discord. I share a link to my Discord server where we can chat and mass manifest. So whatever you may try and whatever outcome, first of all, make yourself comfortable and never be scared, fellow hearts. And never forget, all in our universe, as far as we can see, is frequency. See you next time.
Oh.